Let's define what we mean by vector databases and vector search. In short, vector databases are used to store high-dimensional vectors, where each vector represents some kind of data, like an image or a piece of text, whose core structure would be that the closer those vectors are, the more similar the corresponding data would be. For instance, if we have the following two sentences, "Today the weather is sunny" and "It's a sunny day," they are quite similar, and the two vectors representing them should be close to each other. On the other hand, those two sentences, "Today the weather is sunny" and "Paris is the capital of France," have nothing in common, so the corresponding vectors should reside further away compared to the previous example. And finally, if we have the following sentences which represent opposing facts, their corresponding vectors should be even further apart. Now, when it comes to vector search, the goal of this task is to find the top k most similar vectors to a given query vector. The naive approach would be to simply compute the similarity between the query vector and every single vector in the database, which is known as the brute force method. However, as you can imagine, this approach becomes impractically slow as the size of the database grows, having an O of n time complexity. So, how can we do better?